Harvest tayo ng kamatis. Gonna harvest my tomatoes. Look at that, it's a lot. It's ripe. Okay, let's harvest now. Look at that. I think this is second to the last harvest. It's getting smaller now. Tingnan nyo, aking na-harvest. Ayan. Ayan. Pag may itinanim, may aanihin. Ito. Mag-aano na tayo ng ating tanim. It's good for the salad, like vegetable salad. I think we're gonna have a grill tonight. I'm gonna buy some meat. And then, tingnan mo yung ito pa, madami pa dito. Let's go on the other side. Look at that. It's a lot over here. Look at the tomatoes. Wow. Next year I will plant a lot. This year is just one lang. So last year I'll plant more. This grape tomato and the other big ones. Look at that. Wow, that's a lot. It's been 3 days I haven't harvested this one. Like 3 days. Still, look at that. It's over here. Yan. Just leave the one that is not ripe. Still more over here. Look at that. I don't know, the birds don't like this. Or other animals. You just leave some. This still last harvest, that one. I'm gonna leave it. This is all I harvested this afternoon. Look at that. It's a lot. And it's growing again. My basil. And this one. Growing again, this one. My cucumber is dead. I don't know if it's gonna die. But my eggplant, it's like it's growing. I'm gonna red this old ones. Because it had a new ones now. I'm gonna take out this old. Look at my lemongrass. Yan. I'll move it over here because there's a basil over here. I'm gonna get some of the basil. It will grow back. It will grow more leaves. Ooh, look at that. These big ones. It will gonna grow again. Okay guys, this is it. Basil and tomatoes. Look at that. Yum. Fresh one. Natural. No pesticides. Guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. God bless.